And we are in front of an interesting Mooveo Tei 62Dh with the price of 75,000 euros. And it's just 6 meter 20 in the longest. And this is actual price, and price for this model is 83,444. The actual, it's all on the road, 85,000 euros. Shall we get inside? Okay, so we are presented by a wide dining area that comfortably sits 6 people and a foldable bed. The interesting thing is we have a drop down bed that will be suitable for 2 people, and then also you can make a really large bed for 2 people down there. This is a standard Fiat Ducato chassis with actual automatic transmission. And going to this side, we have a Thetford duplex oven. Really nice seeing that in a camper of this size. And then we have a Dometic 2-burner stove and the actual sink. On the upper part, we have a big, large cabinet, and around we have the actual bathroom with a cassette toilet. Not big, but actually pretty good. And then interesting location for the fridge. Not bad at all. And another cupboard compartment for actually storing a lot of items. Going out and checking the outside part with the actual storage compartment unit for additional stuff. There you go. A small compact camper that offers a lot for this size. And let's have a look from the front so you get an idea on how this actually looks.